Welcome back. I'm doing a series of short videos using NFL data. We've looked at some basic plots and now it's time to look at scatter plots. So for scatter plots, I prefer to use Seaborn. It's convention to call that library SNS. Seaborn.scatterplot. Where is my data? My data is in DF. My x-axis will be my home score and my y-axis can be my away score. That's all you need to do. Okay, we already got something. How many dots are here? Yes, there are 256 dots. Okay, not look like that, but there are quite a number of these. Each dot represents one game. If you take this game, which is like a gigantically high scoring game, I don't know if it's right, but the home score was more than 50 and the away score also was more than 50. That was a big NFL game. And then these are all the low scoring games. Okay. Now there is no color here, so one thing that I thought I would do is I would color it by home team or something like that. If you do that, look at what happens. Too many. I don't want the legend. So we don't want the legend because there is too many teams. Okay, there are 32 different colors here. It looks like a, yeah, it's a colorful plot, but I'm not sure that it is giving us any extra information. So coloring by the home team didn't help us, so I thought we could try. There is one more column called the week. Maybe I can plot by that. What is the legend? Now we need the legend, so as the color gets darker, it's later and later in the season, but it looks like the games are all over. Okay, so I don't know that the color added all that much, but at least you can see how you can use another column for the color. I have an idea. Maybe we can try this. If you remember in an earlier video, we actually created a home advantage score or something like that. We created a column, right? Still in memory. And we can say, is this thing greater than 0? Yes or no, true or false, right? So, okay, good. So I'm going to call yet another column called it home team win. And that is going to be equal to whether it's true or false. Okay, so I've created a yet brand new column called home team, did it win or not. Now I can do sns.scatterplot. I can copy it from there, but let's be very explicit. Data is df. My x is still my home score. My y is still my away score. But I want to color it by this new column that I've created called did the home team win or not. Not bad, not bad. One last thing, because we can't let all these things. I would like to create a color dictionary, because I really have an idea how I want it colored a particular way, right? Color dictionary, I'm going to say that if it is true, if home team won, then I want you to use the color green. And if the home team lost, maybe you could use the color red. False should be not a string. Okay, I've created a dictionary of colors, and then I'm going to say, hey, use this palette. There. Now I'm happy. Okay. Right on the 45-degree line, these are all the games where the home team has won, and these are the games where the away team has won. Okay. And then to end this, I want to do df of home win, which is just a true false. If I add it up, it shows me that 153 times out of 256 the home team has won. So the home team does seem to have an advantage. Okay, divided by the total number of games, which is df.shape of 0. So for 60% of the time, I didn't know this. Okay, hey NFL, there's a huge home team advantage going on. I did not realize that. But anyway, 60% of the time, the home team wins. 40% of the time, the away team wins. We're able to see all this in a series of short videos. Hopefully that was useful and you learned something. Thank you for your time.